Imagine stepping into a room bathed in soft natural light. The gentle rays of the sun filter through the windows, casting a warm and inviting glow across the space. This light not only illuminates the room but also highlights the natural beauty of the plants within. The air is fresh, invigorated by the presence of lush greenery. Each plant contributes to the atmosphere, purifying the air and creating a sense of calm and well-being. The subtle scent of the leaves and soil adds to the overall sensory experience, making the room feel like a serene retreat. Vines cascade from shelves, their leaves a vibrant tapestry against the wall. These trailing plants add a dynamic element to the decor, drawing the eye upward and creating a sense of depth and movement. The interplay of light and shadow on the leaves adds to the room's visual interest. A majestic fiddle-leaf fig stands tall, a silent guardian of tranquility. Its broad, glossy leaves catch the light, creating a striking focal point in the room. This plant not only adds height and structure to the space but also serves as a natural work of art, its form and texture enhancing the overall aesthetic. This isn't a scene from a tropical getaway, this is the power of plants, transforming your home into a vibrant oasis. The lush greenery creates a sense of escape, a place where you can unwind and feel connected to nature. Each plant contributes to this transformation, turning an ordinary room into a verdant sanctuary. Plants have an uncanny ability to breathe life into any space. They bring a sense of vitality and energy, making the room feel more dynamic and alive. The presence of plants can change the entire mood of a space, making it feel more welcoming and comfortable. They add color, texture, and a touch of the wild, making your home feel more alive and inviting. The variety of shapes, sizes, and colors of plants can complement any decor style, from minimalist to eclectic. The natural beauty of plants adds a unique and personal touch to your home. More than just decorative elements, plants are living, breathing companions that connect us to nature, even within the confines of our walls. They remind us of the natural world outside and bring a sense of peace and tranquility to our indoor spaces. Caring for plants can also be a rewarding and therapeutic activity, providing a sense of accomplishment and joy. This is the magic of plant decor, the art of incorporating nature's beauty to enhance our living spaces. By thoughtfully selecting and arranging plants, you can create a harmonious and aesthetically pleasing environment. Plants can be used to highlight architectural features, create focal points, and add layers of interest to your decor. It's about creating a sanctuary where we can relax, recharge, and reconnect with the natural world. In a world that is often fast-paced and stressful, having a space filled with plants can provide a much-needed respite. The presence of plants can help reduce stress, improve mood, and promote overall well-being. Whether you have a single potted plant or a room filled with greenery, the benefits of incorporating plants into your home are undeniable. So take a moment to appreciate the beauty and tranquility that plants can bring to your living space, and let them transform your home into a lush, inviting oasis. While their aesthetic appeal is undeniable, the benefits of having plants in your home extend far beyond their beauty. Plants are natural air purifiers, filtering out toxins and releasing oxygen, creating a healthier and more refreshing atmosphere. Studies have shown that being around plants can reduce stress levels, improve mood, and even boost creativity and productivity. The simple act of caring for a plant, nurturing its growth, can be incredibly therapeutic and rewarding. Incorporating plants into your home is an investment in your well-being, a way to create a space that nourishes both your body and mind. One of the most common concerns people have about bringing plants into their homes is a perceived lack of green thumb. But fear not. Plant care doesn't have to be daunting. The key is to choose plants that suit your lifestyle and the conditions of your home. If you tend to forget to water regularly, opt for low-maintenance varieties like snake plants or ZZ plants. If your space lacks natural light, consider low-light tolerant options such as pothos or cast iron plants. With a little research and some basic care tips, anyone can enjoy the beauty and benefits of having plants in their home. Section 4. Finding the perfect match plants for every home. The world of indoor plants is vast and diverse, offering something for every taste and lifestyle. Whether you have a green thumb or are just starting your plant journey, there's a perfect plant out there for you. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contribute to a healthier living environment. For beginners, easy care options like snake plants, ZZ plants and spider plants are great choices. These plants are known for their resilience and low maintenance needs, making them ideal for those who may not have much experience with plant care. Snake plants, for instance, are almost indestructible and can survive in low-light conditions. They tolerate a wide range of conditions and are relatively forgiving if you miss a watering or two. ZZ plants are another excellent option, thriving in low to bright indirect light and requiring minimal watering. Spider plants, with their arching leaves and small white flowers, are not only easy to care for but also add a touch of elegance to any room. If you're looking for air-purifying powerhouses, peace lilies, snake plants, and spider plants are excellent choices. These plants are known for their ability to filter out common household toxins, such as formaldehyde and benzene, from the air. Peace lilies, with their striking white blooms, are particularly effective at improving indoor air quality. They effectively remove toxins from the air, improving the overall air quality in your home. Having these plants around can make your living space not only more beautiful, but also healthier. Imagine coming home to a space filled with fresh, clean air thanks to these natural air purifiers. For those seeking a touch of the tropics, consider a bird's nest fern, a calathea, or a prayer plant. These plants bring a lush, exotic feel to your home, transforming any room into a tropical paradise. Bird's nest ferns, with their wavy fronds, add a unique texture and are relatively easy to care for. These humidity-loving beauties thrive in bright, indirect light and add a touch of lushness to any space. Calatheas, known for their stunning leaf patterns, require a bit more attention but are well worth the effort. Prayer plants, with their fascinating leaf movements, are a joy to watch as they open and close in response to light changes. By choosing the right plants for your home, you can create a vibrant, healthy, and inviting living space that reflects your personal style and enhances your well-being. Section 5. Planters with Personality, Showcasing Your Green Friends. In this section, we will explore how the right planters can not only house your beloved plants, but also serve as a statement piece in your home decor. The right planter can elevate your plant game, adding another layer of style and personality to your decor. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more rustic, earthy feel, there's a planter out there that will perfectly match your aesthetic. Terracotta pots offer a classic, earthy vibe, making them a timeless choice for any plant lover. Their natural reddish-brown color complements the green of your plants beautifully, creating a harmonious and grounded look. While ceramic pots come in an endless array of colors and designs to complement any aesthetic. From bright, bold hues to subtle, muted tones, ceramic pots can be found to match any room's color scheme. They also come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to mix and match for a dynamic display. For a modern, minimalist look, opt for concrete or metal planters. These materials offer a sleek, industrial feel that pairs well with contemporary decor. Concrete planters, with their raw, unfinished look, add a touch of rugged sophistication, while metal planters can bring a cool, metallic sheen to your space. If you prefer a more bohemian feel, woven baskets or macrame hangers add a touch of texture and warmth. These natural materials bring a cozy, laid-back vibe to your plant displays, making your home feel more inviting and relaxed. Macrame hangers in particular are a great way to add vertical interest to your plant decor. They allow you to hang plants at different heights, creating a layered, cascading effect that is both visually appealing and space-saving. Don't be afraid to get creative with your planter choices. Think outside the box and use unconventional items to house your plants. This not only adds a unique touch to your decor, but also gives new life to old, unused items. Repurposed items like vintage teacups, mason jars, or even old boots can make unique and charming planters. These items add a whimsical, personal touch to your plant displays, making them truly one of a kind. Imagine a row of succulents planted in a collection of mismatched teacups, or a vibrant fern spilling out of an old, worn boot. These creative planter choices not only showcase your plants but also tell a story, adding depth and character to your home decor. So go ahead, let your imagination run wild and create a plant display that is as unique and vibrant as you are.